Hello everyone, welcome to CBS Institute. Welcome to Current Affairs Quiz. Let's get started with the first question. The headquarters of the Financial Action Task Force are located in which of the following cities? See, FATF, as mentioned here, stands for the Financial Action Task Force. Financial Action Task Force, which was established by the G7 group, G7 countries in the year 1989. The headquarters of the Financial Action Task Force are located in the city Paris, which is the capital city of the country, France. Marcus Player, he is the current president of the Financial Action Task Force. Currently there are 39 member countries in FATF, also a point to be kept in mind. See, FATF was established by G7 group for the purpose of combating money laundering. Later, the mandate was expanded to terrorism financing as well. See, if any member country becomes safe haven for money laundering or terrorism financing, then it takes action against that particular country. See, for this purpose, the FATF maintains two lists. First is grey list and another is black list. See, if any member country becomes a safe haven for money laundering or terrorism financing, then in order to warn that particular country, then FATF puts the particular country under the grey list. It is a type of warning to the country. Okay, here FATF gives action plan to that particular country, which the grey listed country must implement within given time. The time is given by Financial Action Task Force. If within this time the grey listed country shows better progress, if FATF satisfies with the progress shown by that grey listed country, then it will be removed from the grey list. If the country does not show any progress, then it will be moved to black list. Which means FATF puts that particular country under blacklist. If a country is placed under the blacklist by the Financial Action Task Force, then it will face severe financial crisis. Okay, it will face severe financial consequences. Here, international financial organizations, for example, the World Bank, International Monetary Fund, the Asian Development Bank, these international financial organizations will deny loan to blacklisted country. So here, recently the FATF Financial Action Task Force has come into news because the plenary session of FATF is going to be held from 21st to 26th February 2021 in Paris. So earlier in the year 2018, Pakistan was put under blacklist. See, there are 18 countries as of now. There are 18 countries under grey list and only 2 countries under blacklist, such as North Korea and Iran. See, here the headquarters of the Financial Action Task Force are located in which of the following cities? So it is Paris. Answer is option C. Next question. Government decided to sell its entire stake, that is shareholding, of how much percentage in Tata Communications? See, recently government has decided to sell its entire stake of 26.12%. Presently government is holding 26.12% in Tata Communications. So it has decided to sell its entire stake. Okay, so 26.12% is the answer. So government has initiated certain measures in order to raise capital, in order to raise money by selling its shares in public sector units and also private companies. So this is one of such measures. So government has decided to sell its entire stake So presently government is holding 26.12. So this is also important from examination point of view, that is 26.12%. In which of the following countries have the scientists discovered a new species of chameleon recently? See, scientists from Germany and Madagascar. Scientists from Germany and Madagascar. Scientists from these two countries have discovered the smallest, Earth's smallest known reptile, that is chameleon. Okay, one of the new species has been discovered. See, the smallest known reptile was discovered in the montane rainforest. Montane rainforest. Okay, montane rainforest, which is in the country Madagascar. Okay, see, this is the picture of chameleon. It changes colors. Okay, it changes colors. Okay, so this is the chameleon. See, the name of the smallest known, okay, smallest known chameleon is Brookesia nana. Brookesia nana. So this is also important from examination point of view. So Montana rainforest, which is in Madagascar. So answer is option C. Next question. Recently, the Reserve Bank of India has formed a 8-member committee to study the issues and strengthen the urban cooperative banks. Urban cooperative banks. Who is the head of that particular committee? See, there are many issues that urban cooperative banks are facing currently. Okay, in order to solve these problems, in order to strengthen the urban cooperative banks, recently Reserve Bank of India has formed 8-member committee. 8-member committee. See, the head of the committee is former Deputy Governor of the Reserve Bank of India, that is N.S. Vishwanathan. N.S. Vishwanathan. So here option E is the correct answer. N.S. Vishwanathan. Important question from examination point of view. Okay, option E is the answer. See, Harshakumar Banwala is one of the members of the committee. Harshakumar Banwala is the former chairman of National Bank for Agriculture and Rural Development. Agriculture and Rural Development. So answer here is N.S. Vishwanathan. Option E. Next question. Who among the following actors has been appointed as the agricultural ambassador of Karnataka? See, recently Karnataka Agricultural Department has chosen the actor Darshan as the agricultural ambassador of Karnataka. So under this, he will promote all the schemes meant for the farmers. He will promote all the schemes meant for the farmers. So the schemes launched by Karnataka government for agriculture purpose will be promoted by the agricultural ambassador. Okay, so recently the state government of Karnataka has chosen the actor, Kannada actor Darshan. So option B is the correct answer. Next question. Carlos Memes passed away recently. He was the former president of which of the following countries? Okay, so this is the picture of Carlos Memes. See, questions from obituary. Okay, questions from obituary will also come in our exams. Okay, if any famous person passes away, then his name and his country both become important. Okay, so Carlos Memes passed away recently. He was the former president of which of the following countries? See, recently he passed away. He is the former president of the country Argentina. Option D is the correct answer. Okay, so Robert Fernandez is the current president of the country Argentina. So Argentina capital city is Buenos Aires. Capital city is Buenos Aires. Argentina peso is the currency of the country Argentina. So these are important from examination point of view. You are suggested to make notes out of it. Okay, thank you.